This is a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, gray over black leather. Interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, power driver's seat, memory seating on the driver's side, Bose audio, OnStar, electronic climate control, traction control, heated and cooled seats, wireless cell phone charging, power moonroof. Let's look at the rear seat, running boards, stylish wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, spray in bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a Duramax turbo diesel engine, so it's got power and torque. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.